Yeah, good morning. In this session, I would like to demonstrate how to calculate the properties of a mixture and generate also a report during your simulation. In fact, I'll be taking up bubble pressure, dew pressure, bubble temperature, dew temperature, and also we'll be calculating certain properties of our interest. Probably after this, you should be in a position to identify whatever property you want with respect to a mixture. Now, the issue normally that we come across in the case of a mixture is the properties of a mixture not only depends on temperature and pressure, but also on that's why the results of these properties are usually not tabulated. Let us see how we can do this due to by carrying out process simulation. In fact, though I may be taking one or two components, in fact, if you are interested, you can add as many components as you wish. For example, I am taking the system involving, let's say, benzene and toluene. You can add as many components as I said in this problem. Then select a property model. Then go to the next step, go to simulation environment. Now, I am creating a small example using a mixer model. So connect, let us say, two input streams. Sorry. Connect two input streams and the output stream. Let us try to define this, what we had done earlier. You can choose any temperature and pressure at which you would like to calculate the properties. And you know the composition must have to be specified. For example, I am taking equimolar composition of this binary system. Because the flow rates are same, the mole fractions will be equal. Similarly, I can other same temperature and pressure, but let us say some other composition and 50. So the composition is different from the first stream. So go to next. So you can run the simulation. Now you can see typically when you go to this, you will be able to calculate some properties which are part of the typical report given by Aspen. Now, if you want to calculate some properties, you can always add these properties. These properties are listed in alphabetical order, right? So you can calculate whatever you want. For example, let me say bubble point pressure, dew point pressure, okay? Then probably I would like to calculate heat capacity of the mixture, CP mixture. Then let us take a few more as well. Density of the mixture, bubble point temperature, dew point temperature. Then, so whatever properties you want, you should be in a position to calculate them, put them here. Then probably I will go into viscosity of the mixture, thermal conductivity of the mixture. So these are the properties that I have selected. Okay. Then close down this. Okay. Add these properties. So I think I have already added. Say okay. Then run the problem again. Or reinitialize and run the problem. I think already the moment you have added, I think these properties are already listed. They may not be part of the regular report that you are doing, but now because of the additions that I have done, the bubble point pressure for these streams. Remember the bubble point, all these properties of the mixture will depend on the pressure, temperature as well as the composition. So whatever is the required composition, if you specify the composition, position to calculate the bubble pressure, dew point pressure, heat capacity of the mixture, density of the mixture, bubble point temperature, dew point temperature. So this is how you will be in a position to calculate the bubble P, dew P and things like that. for any given composition of the mixture, provided you know the composition and temperature and pressure. So with this, I would like to close down this